Alright, so I literally spent half an hour getting this put together. It's a shame. HTC, why have you made our lives so difficult? Take some Scotch tape, double-sided. I don't know if you can see this, but roll it up into little tiny strips of double-sided tape. Cut them with the scissors to make them more narrow. And underneath the glass and on top of the frame, line up those strips here and here. Up here you can use a thicker one, and you can use a thicker one down here also, underneath the glass. After I did that, I ended up opening and reclosing, opening and reclosing a few more times because I was unsatisfied with the dust underneath the glass. That's why it took so long. But now I think I'm ready to put it back inside the phone. By the way, if the trackball falls out of the phone, I'm gonna show you how to put it back in. You'll notice that on the trackball there are four little. You'll notice the metallic connector goes in one direction. The direction of that metallic connection goes facing up on the phone, like that. Like that. Alright, let's put this sucker back in. I'm not putting them tight, I'm just putting them insecure. These tools have a magnetic tip the magnetic tip really helps to secure the screw on the tip. I'm unscrewing this because the trackball appears a little out of place, so I'm going to elevate the whole thing. Yep, and it is out of place. And now it's back.